Am I the only one who didn't know that elephants can listen with their feet? That's right, their feet. Let's take a wild ride through Africa. First stop, the savannah. Here you can spot the speedy cheetah, the fastest land animal in the world. It can run as fast as a car on the highway. Next, we splash into the rivers to say hello to the hippos. Did you know they spend most of their day in water to stay cool under the hot African sun? And listen, can you hear that? It's the roar of the mighty lion. Lions are known as the kings of the jungle, but they actually live in grasslands and plains. Pretty cool, huh? Oh, and we can't forget about the tall giraffes. With necks so long, they could look into a second-story window without even trying. So, what's your favorite African animal? Let's learn more about these wonderful creatures together.